Hello everyone. Hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. Guess you will agree that staying home is both relaxing and tiring at the same time. On the brighter side, we save hours that we spend in meaningless travel in traffic. And we can well spend it on one of our lost hobby like reading books or completely new one, a cool one. Today I am going to share with you one such hobby I picked up. It's 3D printing. Yeah, there are thousands of videos on 3D printing. This series will try to tackle Indian way of adopting it, which other videos may not cover. Example, they will talk about filaments you can never find in Indian Amazon or Flipkart or Snapdeal. Starting with Indian voltage requirements, our living temperatures. In today's video, I'll give you a quick introduction to this cool tech, and I'll try to convince you that you should also own your own 3D printer at home. Let's dive in. Let's jump right into unboxing my shiny new 3D printer. Hold on, before that, let's cover the basics. What is this 3D printing? Let's open Wikipedia for the official definition. It goes like the 3D printing process builds a three-dimensional object from a CAD model, usually by successively adding material layer by layer, which is why it is also called additive manufacturing. Okay, in simple words, if you look at this video, you see the 3D printer prints it one layer at a time, one after other, additively. So one layer above the other one. That is why it is called an additive manufacturing. Like you add layers over the layers. Obviously, opposite to that is subtractive manufacturing, where we take a block of material and scrape pieces of it to create something. Example, carving in stones to make a statue. Or if you have seen a lathe machine, it will just chip out the pieces of metal to make a product out of it. Hope that clarifies what an additive manufacturing and subtractive manufacturing is all about. And 3D printer works by additive manufacturing, like adding the layer. 3D pen also works in the same way. If you would have seen my 3D pen video, I will be doing the same thing using my hands. If you want to see the full video, click on the link above. Firstly, for 3D printing, you need a 3D printer to start with. Okay. What else you need? Filament roll. It is similar to ink cartridge that you need for a 2D printing. A 3D model file, you can get it in lots of free websites. Now you are seeing thingiverse.com and a lot of patience. Slicer software. It's the one that converts this 3D model to a language that the 3D printer can understand, or to a file format that it can understand. And uninterrupted power supply. Lots of new 3D printers supports resuming from your power interruption from the same layer where it got disconnected. So you can continue printing once your power is back. Next question. What are the different things that can be printed? Answer is, you can print any 3D object provided you have the model. Either you have the creativity to create your own model, or you can download from lots of websites that are available. You can buy models that are available. Check out some of the 3D models that I created or I printed using my 3D printer. Lots of websites are available where you can download the models that others designed either for free or by paying a charge. Some popular ones are thingiverse.com, myminifactory.com, pulse3d.com. I've shared those links also in the description below. Next popular question.
Juno, the spacecraft on a 5-year mission to discover Jupiter's secrets. Juno's scientific payload includes a color camera that will give the world the first ultra-wavelength microwave radiometer. In addition, it also has specially designed no cameras please ultra-high-speed engines that will take it to Jupiter in just 1 year. Any questions?
Yes. कितना देती है?
How much will it cost? Can you make money out of it? 3D printers cost from 15,000 rupees to many lakhs. I picked Ender 3, which is a beginner's workhorse, for around 22,000 in Amazon. Now that can sound like a lot. Let's do some math. Let's again go back to Thingiverse. Look at this cool fidget gear. It has multiple gears operating both vertically and horizontally. And the amazing part of it is you can print it as a single part. No need to print it into small parts and assemble them. All you have to do is download this file, open it in your slicer, let the slicer analyze and slice it. It generates into a file format called STL, which the 3D printer understands. In addition to that, it also estimates how much of the filament will be used and how much will that cost approximately. For example, on an average, 1 kg of filament costs around 1,500 rupees. Now, for this one that we picked up, it shows around 9 grams of filament to be used for printing and cost says around 14 rupees. Yeah, this won't include the time that you spend on printing one or modeling one or the electricity, but trust me, electricity bills will not change a lot even if you run this printer for 24/7. Before we proceed, if you are already liking this video, do subscribe to this channel and press the little notification bell icon. With 3D printer, your imagination is your limit. See, even people are building whole Iron Man suit using this. Watch this. In our next video, I will show you 3D printing a 3D object, starting from the very first step of downloading it, slicing it, printing it in a 3D printer, and then seeing it hot out of the print bed. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.